Okay, we're gonna dig that. Like that consistency. So I'm gonna dig that, and I'll be back. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, it's out of the hole. Let's see what we got. Mr. Pinpointer. Okay, what is that? Alright, I'm not sure what that is. Looks like some kind of lead piece. I don't know. We'll get that cleaned up and we'll have it on the end. Alright. See you at the next hole. Okay, we'll dig again and see what we got. Be back in a minute. Guys, it's in the plug here. So let's see. So, oh, there it is. Someone was hunting. There we go. Got a shell casing. Let's see if I can read it maybe. Nah, it's modern. Alright, keep digging. Okay. Like that signal. Okay, we'll dig that. See when I get it done. What do you think that is? I thought it's a coin, but I think it's... Man, I thought that was a coin of some sort, but nah, it's not. It's got metal. See if I can, see it's got iron on the back there. So, some kind of thing, I don't know. Maybe if I get it cleaned up, it'll show up. So, alright, we'll keep digging. Okay, guys. Nice solid signal. Okay, we'll dig that. Alright, let's see. Gotta keep my eye on the prize. Bunch of fill. Alright, let's see what we got. Get the pinpointer here. Alright. There we are. Shell casing. This is, let's see, what do we got here? 35 Remington. That's a good shooting gun. I killed many a deer with that. So, oops. There you go. See you on the next one.